In today's video, guys, I'll be showing you affordable and super effective cosmetic products in the market that you can combine together to form a kit for a caramel skin person. So if you're a caramel skin person, you are not dark and you are not too fair either, and you are looking for a cosmetic product to maintain your skin, to glow your skin and make it juicy, juicy. Definitely you will find this video useful. So without much delay, guys, let's jump right into today's video. So first thing first, guys, the basics, like the foundation of a very flawless skin, no matter your skin type. If you want your product to work very well, if you want to see the best of your product, guys, you have to scrub your skin. You have to exfoliate. Like, there's no two way about it. I'll be recommending this Caribbean, like, I don't know if I pronounce this well, I'll write it somewhere in the screen. Spa lightening sauce. Like, it contains soap, it lathers so well, so as you are scrubbing your skin, it's as if like you are bathing with a soap. Like, it helps to lightening the skin, it helps to deep cleanse your skin, it helps to open your pores. It contains vitamin E, vitamin C and AHA that helps to brighten your skin and make your skin super glowy. So guys, the next thing on our list is this glutathione body soap. I don't know if you can see it. This is it. So if you are looking for something very subtle, not too harsh, something to just give that, little brighter, lighter effect, then this soap is your go-to. And the soap, like, it contains vitamin C, it contains vitamin E and rose hip, and it also contains alpha lipoic acid. Like I said, guys, I've recommended this soap for few people, most especially because of blood. A lot of people actually reached out to me and I recommended this soap to them and they actually love it. So guys, I would recommend this for a caramel skin any day, anytime. And the next product is Arbonne Miracle Spa Lotion. This is their tomato extract. Like, they have different variants. This is the tomato extract. This lotion is very good for a caramel skin person. Like, it helps to brighten your skin, it helps to glow your skin, and it helps to fade dark spots. Like, if you have hyperpigmentation, you will definitely love this soap. It helps to reduce dark spots and slow down pigmentation. It lightens the skin naturally. This is not the type of lotion that you will use that will give you knuckles, not at all. You will definitely love it. What is a body cream without a facial cream? So I would recommend this facial cream, Clean Cap. Most especially if you have skin issue on your face, I would definitely recommend a Clean Cap for you. And in case, if you don't have any of those, you can just mix little of this with the Arbonne body lotion and apply it on your face. Still on face matter, I would recommend this egg soap. It's actually a collagen soap. I would recommend this for your face, like, most especially if you have acne, dark spots, sunburn, just name it. This soap, you will definitely love it. It's a collagen soap. It helps to improve the skin elasticity, helps to glow the skin, and it also helps to fade any type of dark spots on your face. So I would recommend this alongside with the other products. So guys, I will put all the prices of the products somewhere here. And the next on the list is our vitamin C. So I'm using this Russian vitamin C. Like, this serum is very good. It's for the face, as we all know. Like, vitamin C is very good, most especially if you have a acne prone skin or you have dark spots on your face. Definitely you will love this vitamin C serum. So this is it. So it helps to moisturize the skin, it helps to hydrate, it clears dark spots, and it keeps your skin glowing and flawless. So if you watched my video to this level, guys, please don't forget to subscribe. And the next is our supplements, vitamin C supplements, guys. Like, majority of people, and even me, like, I'm comfortably sitting on this table. If you eat right, good for you. If you make sure that you eat healthy meal all the time, good for you. Take fruits a lot, good. But if you like me, please, your vitamin is very important. Taking 1000 grams of vitamin C daily will not only help to improve your skin, it will also helps to it helps to improve your immunity. Your immunity will be very strong. Make sure you always take your supplements. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you watch it to the end, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like my video. And if you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section. And in case you want to talk to me one-on-one, or you have a very personalized question, kindly join the link on the comment section to join my Telegram, and I will reply to you ASAP. Thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. Bye.